Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video is on the extra media settings that aren't in the sound menu, which I've found, which I'll show you shortly. Right, to get to these media settings, if you're in the media switch mode on this screen, press setup, then general, and then scroll down the side to media settings. Notice you've got media radio off at vehicle start off, that keeps the media switched off when you turn the car on, so it doesn't blare out. But if you want it to come on when you turn the car on, you just uncheck that. Maintain media playback when vehicle is turned off. The infotainment system remains on when the vehicle is turned off. The system will automatically shut down after the driver exits or after a certain period of time. Okay, useful. And then display media change notifications. That's when you switch tracks, and I think it pops up a window at the side. But I'm just going to go through that and test each one of these settings to make sure they do what they say. Firstly, I've got a USB stick plugged in and it's playing some music. So now I'm going to switch the car off and see if that comes back on. Yeah, and that's come back on where I left it. Now I'm going to select radio and switch the car off. And the radio comes back on. So if I don't want the radio on, I go to Setup General, scroll down the side to Media Settings, and that should stop it. So leave it on radio, shut the car down. And it's set it to off, so that works. Now back to Settings General, Media Settings. So display media change notifications. So if currently if I switch to USB and I switch tracks, maybe I need to be in the split screen mode. Or on the other screen. Or if I'm in map mode. Yeah, it pops up there. Right, so if I go back, Settings General, Media Settings, Media Change off. So if I go back to maps and switch, no, it still does it. When doing the hard key press, it's always shown. Oh, so it's when it's playing naturally on its own, it won't show. That's what it controls. Okay, got that. Next test is Android Auto, so I'll plug that in. Right, so I do Setup General, Media Settings, and I want it to come on when I come back. hasn't come back on. Could be I need to set some Android settings to make that auto start. Get to settings, press the white button at the top, and then the settings button, and then you've got options to start Android automatically, always, and also start music automatically. Yeah, I want that turning on as well, and that might be enough. Right, try again. Strange. It's not consistent. Works the radio and USB. It's definitely unchecked. The one thing you need to remember is to let the car shut down sometimes. It takes about a few minutes when you walk away. So now I'll try plugging it in and turning the car on. There you go. There's one more setting to try, and that's the one that keeps the radio on, supposedly, if you set the settings. So set up general, media, maintain radio playback when vehicle is turned off. The infotainment system remains on when the vehicle is turned off. The system will automatically shut down after the driver exits the vehicle. So if I have the radio on, I'm playing with the volume down, turn the car off. It's complaining about the sunroof. Yeah, that works.